Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your ideas with MasterClass step by step clearly. Start by identifying your core idea. Take a moment to clarify what you want to scale. Write down your main objective in one sentence. Research existing MasterClass courses that relate to your idea. Explore what successful creators have done in your niche. List key concepts you want to learn from these courses. Next, create a schedule for your learning. Dedicate specific time slots each week to take MasterClass sessions. Engage actively with course materials as you progress. Take notes on important lessons and actionable insights. After completing the courses, outline your implementation plan. Break down your objectives into smaller, manageable tasks. Prioritize these tasks based on urgency and impact. Design your prototype or initial version of your project. Gather feedback from peers or mentors on your prototype. Refine your idea based on the feedback received. Next, develop a marketing strategy to reach your audience. Choose the right platforms to promote your scaled idea. Create compelling content that showcases your unique value. Launch your project and monitor its performance closely. Analyze the results using relevant metrics and KPIs. Be prepared to iterate and adjust your strategy as needed. Continue learning through new MasterClass courses that align with your evolving goals. Stay engaged with your audience to build community and support. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Keep scaling by continuously improving your idea and expanding your reach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.